Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to buy Bitcoin in MEXC with two ways. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel for more amazing content. Let's start this video. Open MEXC. Now once we open MEXC exchange, we have to tap on deposit. And over here there are two options through which you can buy Bitcoin in MEXC. First one is P2P trading and the second one is buy crypto. First I will show you how P2P trading works. Tap on P2P trading and you will see this kind of page. So once you see this, we have to tap on BTC over here. Once we tap on BTC, so firstly USDT will be selected. You have to select BTC and you will see many traders who are offering price for Bitcoin in your currency. You can change the currency over here. If you want to change the currency, you can also select that and you can see the price of Bitcoin in your currency as well. If you don't have that trader who is not offering Bitcoin in your currency, you don't have to worry about that. You have to just go back, tap on deposit over here and then tap on buy crypto. Once you tap on buy crypto, you have to wait for a few moments until this page completely loads. Okay, so once this page is completely loaded, you have to tap on I want to pay and in the euro section select the currency in which you want to pay. Over here I have selected USDT and now in the I will receive section tap on USDT and then select BTC. On the top you have to write down the amount in USD. So let's suppose I want to buy Bitcoin of $3,000. I will type that and it will show me that these $3,000 are almost equal to 0.028 Bitcoin. After that, tap on payment method and you will see three payment methods. First one is Banksa, Mercurio and the third one is MoonPay. Tap on buy crypto and then choose any one payment method. After that, tap on continue. After tapping on continue, accept and continue and then tap on continue. So first you have to verify yourself on MEXC and then write down the details of your credit or debit card, and after that you will receive Bitcoin in your MEXC account. So I hope this video will help you. If so, please like this video and subscribe this channel.